This is day 2 when a biker visits La Union. Dapat may day 3 pa but we had to go home. Tanggal hangover muna tayo, kape, and admire the beach. Yan, solid. Kaso din tayo makaswimming pero nagtusino tayo. And of course, check lang ng bike. If may mga tulo lang yan, that's okay. Puno na yung mga saddlebags natin. Kailangan natin iwan yung oil kasi nag-pack tayo for 3 nights. Kinabit na natin yung bags at dahil hindi pa nakakapalit ng gaskets, nagtutulo konti yung oil, so dinagdagan natin konti. Easy peasy. So lunch muna tayo and then we are off to El Union Coffee. Pinupuntahan ko talaga to pa nagla-La Union and nakita ko may sticker wall sila, so we put our stickers. Tapos sila Kuya El Union nanghihingi ng stickers, so here you go. Thank you guys. Bago umuwi, may mga kinita muna tayo like si Bro Reyes of Classic La Union. Next up, we met up again with Mapogos and dito tayo sa Coffee RT. Pass muna sa kape, so nag-tea muna tayo. Then bago gumabi, we were off. Okay naman yung ride, tinamaan lang namin yung traffic. Sinamahan tayo hanggang Agoon ni Brother Fuse, salamat. And isa pang pit stop kasi malakas siya sa gas. Nakapasok tayong T-Plex mga 7:30 p.m. And it was a long ride back. Enjoy ko rin mga solo ride na to. It makes you connect to yourself and to your bike. Whoa, that's deep, bruh. Since manipis upuan natin, we put a cloth over there. Ang lumang Harley, ma-vibrate sobra. So yeah, nakamanhead. And naka-touchdown tayo 11:30 at Handlebar with my favorite beer, Crazy Carabao. Thanks for watching, y'all. Peace.